Welcome to our tutorial on how to quickly react to a message in a group chat on Telegram using your PC with the latest update. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open Telegram on your PC by launching the application and signing in to your account. This will allow you to access your group chats and interact with messages conveniently on your computer. Once you're in Telegram, navigate to the group chat where the message you want to react to is located. Take a moment to find the specific message within the chat thread that you wish to respond to. Hover your mouse over the message you want to react to. As you hover, you'll notice a red heart icon appear next to the message, indicating that you can quickly react to it. Click on the red heart icon to express your reaction to the message. This feature offers a simple and efficient way to convey your emotions or acknowledgement towards the message, without the need for lengthy replies. By following these steps, you can easily engage with messages in group chats on Telegram and add a personalized touch to your communication within the app. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to quickly react to a message in a group chat on Telegram.